take a breath, feel the heat.
There's something about walrus, an animal we all recognize, yet one that few have ever seen.
This is like a dream come true.
These islands of ice are their sanctuaries. As Arctic temperatures rise, I wonder how walruses will cope in an ice-free world, and how baby orphans like this one will survive.
Wednesday evening at 7